what I really feel is while doing this, as you even rightly said, there has been confusion while attempting the SRT. There has been some confusion while attempting the SRT. As in, what we are supposed to do when you have written the responses to various situations that were given to you, the way you have written the responses to the situation, it shows that what we are writing, we are not so clear about it. We are just completing the sentences. It looked to me in a lot of places as if we are just trying to do the word association test. We're just trying to make a sentence. SRT is more about situation reaction test. In my language, I call it as a solution resolution test. I give it a name of solution resolution test. Why? The nature of SRT, so it is like this. All those candidates who understand the key of SRT and who knows what to write, or in other words, I call it in my way that the candidates who know how to make situation reaction as solution resolution test, they are the ones who succeed in the SRT. When we say solution resolution, what it means, situation reaction. As I have said earlier also, for a situation, a response is to be given, and response is nothing, but that is your answer. And in that answer, you need to show your action, your karma, how you are working on that particular situation with your action. So that action is indirectly the resolution part, the solution part. In your overall SRT, I got a first glimpse that it has been done with a very confusion, and at a lot of places it looked as if I'm just trying to complete a sentence. Just to go quickly with few of them, which you will get an idea. If you see, first of all, 6-1. I have said this, as I said earlier also, this is okay what you write, what you have wrote, what you have written is, this is fine, but the point is how you're going to do it. It's not like this that he convinced both. How? Saying this, like I'll give you, tell me one thing, if I give you any bad situation, if you want, you can always say, we will do like this and we will fix it. But tell me, does the things practically happen in real life like this? There has to be an action plan defined.
Yes.
Right? There has to be some action on ground. Right? Then going on, see the 9th one. You help that woman, raise your voice, throw your bag on him. I don't find like, first of all, a lot of places you have written you. So what does the you means? As in, you're not able to focus on the part to whom you want to address. So here, who is this you here? Right? So this overall is showing me a very confusion while attempting this. So first of all, what is the meaning of this? So I'm not getting any meaning of this. Just try to see. There is no solution in this. You just help the woman. It is not a solution. I help people. I am helping people. I want to help people. These are 3 tenses, but the fact is nothing is a solution in this. Solution is I actually went and assisted a woman in carrying her luggage, for example. This is a kind of a help. So I'm not finding any solution in this. Then read this 12th one. I have not been able to even understand the meaning of it. Just try to connect it with the situation. What could have been the situation? Not satisfied because he is not fulfilling the, so situation has been, I'm sure this situation would have been something like this, that there has been certain something which has happened and he is not satisfied. He dash. So you need to give a response to it. You are telling कि ऐसा हो गया. Where is your action? You are saying the action is he is not satisfied. आप बेसिकली एक्शन का मतलब है आपको अपना थॉट प्रोसेस देना, हाउ यू विल गोइंग टू डू इट. एक्शन डज नॉट मीन कि आप बस बोलो जी मैंने एक सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब कर दिया. दिस इज लुकिंग एज इफ आई एम जस्ट कंप्लीटिंग द सिचुएशन. किसी ने मेरे से एक पीओवी दिया और बताया ही डैश, बताओ ये क्यों क्यों हुआ होगा, तो मैंने सिचुएशन को कंप्लीट कर दिया, ही इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड बिकॉज ही इज नॉट फुलफिलिंग द मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड वांट टू जॉइन आर्मी। तो ये तो ऐसा हो गया, सिचुएशन कंप्लीशन टेस्ट हो गया, SCT।
This was like he is not happy in his life, something like that.
बताओ 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 क्या, he is not happy in his life, right? I will.
The first thought comes in my mind that yes, he is not happy because he is not satisfied with his medical conditions or standards, and he actually wants to be an army officer, but that is the reason he's not.
Fine. So now understand, he is not happy in his life. So he dash. You need to give a solution. So solution would have been, he's not happy in his life. He was unable to join Indian Army, but certainly he managed to fulfill his career other way by being into a group of people who are already attached with Indian Armed Forces. So you described the situation and you gave the solution to it. No, I am not able to find your solution to it. Understood what I am saying? जो आप बात लिख रहे हो उसको हम ऐसे भी तो कह सकते थे ना, मैंने तो सिचुएशन को कंप्लीट कर दिया कि वो हैप्पी और सेटिस्फाइड क्यों नहीं है। आप देख रहे हो ना, आपने सिचुएशन को कंप्लीट करा है, उसके बाद आप आगे देखो। सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस, लाइक अब आप ये 17 पढ़ो, ये आपको वैट नहीं लग रहा? This is looking like I'm just giving a VAT. So this is the overall. Then 21 again he's going with, there is nothing how he's going to do that, right? अब आप अपना एक ये देखो. So majorly there is a problem, but coincidentally you have at few places you have written right things also. Like see this 27th. In short and precise you have given the complete resolution and action. क्या करा? सोल्यूशन में एम्बुलेंस को बुलाया, फादर को एडमिट करा और इन्फॉर्म कर दिया रिलेटिव्स को फ्रंट पे. दिस इज द एक्शन यू गेव टू अ सिचुएशन. गॉट इट?
यस सर.
राइट. लाइकवाइज आप 31 का भी देखेंगे, देयर इज नो मीनिंग कमिंग आउट टू बी simultaneously prepare for SSC exams and clear it. Now he's an income tax officer. The idea is we are not clear with what we are doing. And lastly, one very loose thing which you have written. Read your third one.
So there were two situations, like one most important interview and his SSB. So he requested.
Tell me the crux of the situation. Tell me the crux of the situation. नहीं याद?
Not exactly, sir.
Crux ही तो, tell me the crux. Crux क्या था उसका?
There were two important situations, conditions came across. So he chooses interview over SSB.
The idea is, see why I am asking you this thing, because there is a reason. I can simply go forward and pull up the situation also. Now this is also a very important learning for all of you. See, the idea is, if you have done a particular assessment and you need to understand, this is also one very important thing for all of you, a very fine important thing I'm sharing with all of you. See, when you do something very, very consciously, any assessment, you do it very consciously. And when you are handling situations and when you are handling situations with a mindset of resolution, I am telling you one thing very clearly, it will never happen कि आपको एक situation का background भी याद नहीं है. What does this shows? Do you understand what it shows? It shows कि जो मैंने आंसर लिखा वो मेरे से unconsciously निकल गया. So while I am handling the SRT, there are two things. I write something consciously and unconsciously. I am not saying कि situation याद होनी चाहिए या याद होती है, नहीं, भूल जाते हैं. But when I read my solution, and if I have done it very consciously, the overall assessment, I can connect that what was the situation which led to this. But now when I'm sitting here and I'm not able to even connect with the situation, and I have written a response to that. So what it means? It means while actually doing the SRT mock, at that time, when you were writing these so-called resolution or the responses to those situations, these are not written consciously. और जब तक आप कॉन्शियसली एक असेसमेंट को नहीं करेंगे, उसमें तो फिर ये ऐसा ही होगा ना कि आपके पास कुछ रिजल्ट होगा नहीं, वो ही यू सब कुछ आएगा जिसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं बनेगा, एंड लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस यू विल गेट आउट टोटली. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आपको दिख रहा है ना कहाँ गैप है इतना? फ्रॉम लास्ट so many sessions you have been listening to other SRT analysis also, you must have realized what we have actually done and what is required. Whenever you sit for mock, I would always suggest all of you, please sit for the mock wholeheartedly. One thing which I can say, Arushi, after looking at this SRT, I don't know, correct me if I am wrong. आपने ये SRT किस माइंडसेट से दिया? मैं आपको आपका माइंडसेट बता देता हूँ, आप मुझे ये बता देना कि मैं गलत हूं या सही हूं. ये आपने माइंडसेट इसलिए इस माइंडसेट से दिया है, समवॉट यू आर डेवलपिंग अ प्रेशर ऑन योर माइंड. आपको बड़े दिनों से ये लग रहा है कि मैं मॉक असेसमेंट दे नहीं रही हूं और मैंने कुछ अभी तक करा नहीं है. तो इस बार आपने कहा यार चलो दे ही दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पहले भी इतनी मिस हो गई, अब देनी पड़ेगी, अब दे ही देती. कहीं ना कहीं बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये माइंडसेट था. आई डोंट नो, यू कैन कंफर्म दिस. Is this the mindset or not?
So this thing was also there, but I'm just restructuring my whole schedule and
that is okay.
Trying my best.
See, that is okay. You don't have to try your best. Just start loving the things what you're doing. The problem is when you try to do things, na, it never works. देखो मैं आपका ये mindset क्यों पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, उसके पीछे reason है. Because आपको चीजों के इन और आउट पता है. ऐसा नहीं है you don't know SRT, but the way it has been written, it shows somewhat that when I was doing a mock, I was not within the mock. And it is also an important analysis for all the other aspirants also. It happens a lot of time. You do something, but you are not completely into it. And when you are not completely into it, you are not able to give your best. And when it comes for an assessment like SRT, where there is a lot of time pressure, automatically the end result would going to be very, very devastating if you have not been into that assessment wholeheartedly. ये पूरी शिद्दत से दिया हुआ SRT नहीं लग रहा कहीं से भी. Don't do it like this. Don't do it with a mindset कि भी ये इसको करना है. Just start loving the things rather than just trying to make them happen or trying your level best and being very hard with them कि किसी तरीके करना है उसको. हार्ड करने से नहीं होगा, जबरदस्ती करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. 2 दिन 4 दिन 3 दिन कितने दिन करोगे जबरदस्ती से? Got it? Fine. So I would suggest next mock assessment जब जाए Arushi, and even the daily challenges that you are doing, I'll even watch to that as well what you have posted in the groups. So please do it wholeheartedly, and the best way to make it something wholehearted is, देखो किसी भी चीज को होल हार्टेडली करने का, कोई काम को दिल से शिद्दत से प्रेम से करने का एक सिंपल सा रूल है और एक सिंपल सा तरीका है. द सिंपल वे इज, बिफोर डूइंग अ टास्क, डोंट स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, डोंट स्टार्ट जंप ऑन टू द एक्शन. बिफोर जंपिंग ऑन टू द एक्शन, टेक अ simple self clarity with yourself, and that is why I want to do it. You need to know that why, right? And if that why really matters for you, automatically your love will be there. If your why does not matter to you, how much hard you try, it will never going to happen for you, with you. It will never going to happen, right?
Yes.
So, the idea is very simple. आप उसको इतना उससे मत कीजिए. जो भी next mock है and your daily SSB recommendation challenge, just do it wholeheartedly. Then automatically things will come to fine tune things. It will become fine tune, right?